My name is Jordan McDowell, and my intended major is finance.
So we are going to be understanding how to use Sumproduct in Excel, adding a stack column chart, and understanding the sort and filter features. So to begin, for this table on the left, from A1 to F25, we want to we want to know the individual regular pay for every single employee throughout every single week. And to start, we'll start on Blake for week 1. We go up to the formula bar, we press equal so that we can start a function, and then we will press the actual cells that they are in, C2, asterisk for multiplication, E2. We want to do this because it's the fastest, and so that if any values change, the formula will change with it. Now, we use this fill handle by going to on the bottom right corner, dragging it down to the bottom entry so that it copies the formula relative to the row that it's in. So the column positions stays the same, but the row just switches. And we're going to do the same thing for individual overtime pay. This is good because it saves a lot of time, especially when you have a lot of entries so that you don't have to type over and over. Now, we're going to sort this table as we want to understand it in terms of weeks and week so that we can identify certain things easier. So we go up to data, then we go to sort, and we're going to sort it by 2 levels. First level will be by week, smallest to largest, then overtime hours, largest smallest. See, it's just switch everything around. The sum values are still the same, and everything in here is still the same. Now for Sumproduct. Go up to the insert function, search up Sumproduct. If you still need help after I explain it, you can go to the bottom left corner and click help on this function for external information from Windows themselves or Microsoft themselves. Sorry. And now Sumproduct is just like the name implies, it's the sum of the products. So it will do the exact same thing based off that we just did for the individual regular pay, but based off of all the entries, all the cells that we put in this array. So we want to still do regular rate, then comma, regular hours. What it's doing is that it's doing regular rate times regular hours plus this regular rate plus regular times regular hours, and it just saves a lot of time, especially when there will be multiple people for 1 week. And so now we just do it for it. Now there is a lot of space down here that we want to get rid of, even though it doesn't really look like a problem for this one. It could be if you had a lot more data, because then you'd have to scroll down. So we will select column J, go over to filter. Now it adds a little filter here that we can click, and then we scroll down to blanks and we get rid of it. Now it condenses everything. Now, based off the week regular pay and the week overtime pay, we're going to make a stack column chart because we want to have them both included, but also see them separately. We want to see the relationship. We will name it payroll by week. Now you can see now it's made it easier so that we can see the trends in the data, and you can also tell what part of the payroll is just the regular part and the overtime. And this will help business see if there's certain trends, or they can tell what happened that week that the payroll changed. That's it for me.